gonna get a Breton one then and just take the olives off. Do you want it hot or cold?
Hot.
I think I tap on, yeah, so it's gonna have, so it's got cream, mozzarella, potato, vegetables, bacon, olives, oregano. So I'm gonna get it hot. Oh, and I'll just change the language. Hang on. I'm confirming it. I continued. No loyalty cards. Ignore that. Choose method. CD. This is pretty modern. It's got like English choices and everything. Okay, but it won't take that Aussie card, so I'll just pay cash. 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 Oh, I just gotta go back. Making it. I'm gonna get a receipt. You can smell it. See, it's made to look like a pizza oven. I'm gonna have a look at the screen. Come on, let's have a look at the screen. I should have got you to take I should have got you to take pictures of the menu. Can you see the screen? So the screen with all the options would have been good to check out. So I wasn't sure which way to put the money in, the notes in, but it obviously didn't make much difference which way to put the coins in. So they've got a lot more choices than what you've got up there. Maybe take a picture of the, you might be able to take a bit of a picture of some of the options. If you wanted it cold, you probably would have got it straight away. So there's all the allergies. That's the table of the allergies of everything that the different pizzas have got. Oh, come on. can hear it. It's coming. Box is here. Oh, receipt and my change. Ta-da! Let's check it out. Pizza! Breton pizza. It's quite hot.